Well, in the next day or two, I should have a first shipment or my first shipment. I've never bought chickens online before and had them shipped through the postal service, but I'm trying it out. So I'm setting up a makeshift brooder to have it ready because I'll probably be at work and I'll have to go pick them up on my lunch break. So I've already got their feed and their water in, and I just got a friend of mine that works at the grocery store to save me one of the big boxes they put pumpkins and potatoes in. And so far I've lined it with newspaper until I can get something else, and it's just in a spare room in my house that I have nothing in. I'll just lay a tarp out. But I've got it set up and I'm letting the light do its job, and I will check the temperature in just a little while to see if I need to adjust it, so that way there'll be some happy little birds. And I will try and pick up some pine shavings for some bedding instead of just plain newspaper. But that will do for now. And I'll keep you informed. Wasn't warm enough, so we getting redneck up in this place. I'm telling you, a redneck can do anything with duct tape and baling wire. So I got a piece of PVC pipe and some baling wire, and I hung the light lower. Now, all I gotta do is wait and get it up to temperature.